Hello everyone. I wonder what this could be. Why would I be looking at a garage door right now? Well, so a few minutes ago I just got home from school, well, at the time of recording this, and this is the door I usually come in. And so I went to open it, entered the code and opened it, but when I pressed enter, there was like a little delay before it opened, which wasn't usual. And then I heard a loud bang up near this area, and then it started opening. And then I noticed on the floor that, well actually, this one was over there. So a bolt came off. And so if I do this, watch. That's your problem right there. The bolt came off. By the way, this is a Chamberlain MyQ with the app, and it's belt drive too. I have the app on my phone, which I'll demonstrate that. So, we are going to fix this. I'm gonna set my camera down, put a ladder up. Well, I'm gonna detach it, close it, set my camera down, put a ladder up, and fix it, and you get to watch me. So, let's go ahead and do that. But the thing is, I don't even know how that bolt came off, so that's a bit unusual. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm gonna get my ladder. I am also going to go ahead and close this. Oh, look at that. And there you go. Let's set this back down. Okay, so. So tools I have here is this one here. This is 1/2 inch. I have that. I have the wrench for it. And I have 1/2 inch wrench. I don't know if I'll need this, but that's just in case. What side should I put it in from? So it came off of that one, so how did this even come off? This one seems tight, that's good. Can I fit this in here? I can, okay. I am going to need that wrench. I am going to need this. Oh, I forgot to put this little washer on. Let's go ahead and do that. Which way I should put it. Let's put it on right here. That is nice and tight. All good. Okay, that is all good. Okay, so now I'm going to put away the ladder. We're going to hook it back up. So, it is all fixed. That's the one that came off. That one's all tight, so that's all good. I'm going to show you the button. Here's the button here. White. Here's the original one that we've had at this house, this one. This one's original. This one is not. This actually used to be a Genie screwdriver, which started having this weird issue, so we replaced it. We got this from Menards. So let's go ahead and open this back up, reattach it. And we'll give it some tests. Oh, is it this one? There we go. Okay. And there we go. It's in. So now, I'm going to go ahead and use my app to close it. As you can see here, I have my app. I'm going to close it. Let's watch. I love it when it does that. When it beeps like that, it reminds me of elevator doors that beep. I like that. Now, we are going to open it. Now for this, I have to enter a code. Here we go. Also, I'm the one who helped install this and programmed it. Now we're going to close it. Let's close it with the button this time. As you notice, it didn't beep that time. Something sounds like it's rubbing. Come on, there we go. I'm going to open this again and we are going to focus on this. Come on, there you go. So as you can see, this door opens up to there. This door opens all the way. Now let's close it using the keypad, and that will be that. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.